Welcome to MTLS Centerwise Lite for QSM. If you are managing multiple coaching centers using Quiz and Survey Master, giving every branch manager WordPress Administrator access is neither safe nor practical. MTLS Centerwise for QSM Lite solves this problem with a secure front-end dashboard designed specifically for multi-branch coaching institutes. Let's see how it works. This is the Super Admin Dashboard. From one place, the administrator can register coaching centers, monitor all branches, and manage the entire organization without giving anyone unnecessary WordPress administrator access. You can also view registered centers, track students, and manage branch-wise activities through a clean and user-friendly interface. Now let's register our first coaching center. We will create a new branch called MTLS Lucknow Classes. Simply enter the required details such as the center ID, center name, address, contact information, and login details. Then click Register Center, and the new coaching center is instantly added to the system. When you register a center from the front-end dashboard, MTLS Centerwise automatically creates a WordPress user with the center owner role. Everything is handled automatically, so you don't need to manually create users or assign user roles. Once registered, the center immediately appears in the center list and is ready for branch management. Let's register another coaching center. This time we will create MTLS New Delhi Classes. The registration process is exactly the same. Within seconds, another branch is added without creating a new WordPress administrator account. As your coaching institute grows, you can continue adding new branches from the same dashboard while keeping everything organized and secure. Now let's register one more coaching center. We'll create MTLS Chennai Classes. Again, the process is simple, fast, and requires only a few clicks. Every registered center remains completely separated from the others. This means one coaching center cannot view, edit, or manage the students, quiz results, or records of another coaching center. Each branch has access only to its own students and its own data, making the system highly secure for coaching institutes with multiple branches. This center-wise approach improves security, simplifies administration, protects student privacy, and helps coaching institutes scale efficiently. MTLS Centerwise Lite for QSM is ideal for coaching institutes, tuition centers, training organizations, and education franchises that want secure front-end management without relying on the WordPress administrator area. If you'd like even more advanced features such as enhanced reporting, additional management tools, and powerful franchise capabilities, you can upgrade to MTLS Centerwise Pro for QSM. To learn more, visit mtls.tech and explore MTLS Centerwise for QSM. Thank you for watching.